Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Mr. Bond, where learning English is easy, simple, and always fun. My name is Anna.
And I'm Tom. Hello, Anna. Hello, listeners. It's great to be here again. How are you today, Anna?
I'm doing great, Tom. But I'm also a little hungry.
Hungry? Perfect. Because today's episode is all about food. One of my favorite topics ever.
Yes. Today we'll talk about breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, favorite foods, and we will even have 2 role plays and a long story at the end. So stay with us.
To begin, please remember to subscribe, give this episode a like, and share it with your friends. Your support helps our channel grow.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, Tom. Since I'm hungry, let's start with the first meal of the day, breakfast.
For breakfast, I like something simple. I usually have bread with cheese and a cup of strong black coffee.
Black coffee? Wow, that is strong. I like coffee too, but with milk and a little sugar. My breakfast is usually scrambled eggs and toast.
Eggs! Very healthy. And sometimes on the weekend, I have a big breakfast. Pancakes with fruit like bananas or strawberries.
Pancakes with honey are my favorite. And when I'm in a hurry, I just eat an apple or a banana.
A fast and healthy breakfast. Perfect.
Now let's talk about lunch. Lunch is my biggest meal of the day.
Same for me. I usually eat rice, vegetables, and chicken. Sometimes fish with lemon, very light and healthy.
I also like simple salads, lettuce, tomato, cucumber with olive oil.
A very balanced lunch. Lunch gives you energy for the afternoon.
Now it's the evening. Dinner time. My dinner is usually small. I like vegetable soup.
Soup is a great dinner. I like tomato soup or sometimes pasta. Spaghetti with tomato sauce and cheese.
Cheese makes everything better.
Between meals, I sometimes eat snacks, usually fruit like bananas or yogurt.
Me too. Sometimes I want something sweet, like a cookie, but only one.
Yes, balance is important.
Tom, big question. What is your favorite food?
My mom's lasagna. Nothing beats homemade food. What about you?
I love sushi. Fresh, light, and delicious.
Very good choice. Hello, welcome to our restaurant. A table for one?
Yes, please.
Here is your menu. What would you like to drink?
A glass of water, please.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like the grilled chicken with vegetables.
Great choice.
Before we end today's episode, we want to share a short story about a man named Carlos. Carlos wants to eat better and practice English at the same time. So he tries something new for 1 week.
On Monday, Carlos wakes up and says, "Today I eat healthy food and I speak English." For breakfast, he eats oatmeal with bananas. He listens to an English podcast while eating.
On Tuesday for lunch, Carlos cooks rice, beans, and grilled chicken. He practices simple English sentences. I am cooking chicken. The food smells good. This is my lunch.
On Wednesday, he goes to the supermarket. He reads labels in English. Milk, tomatoes, potatoes. He repeats the words quietly as he puts items into his basket.
On Thursday, Carlos tries something fun. He watches a cooking video in English and makes pasta. When the video says, "Stir the sauce," he repeats the sentence and copies the action, like shadowing.
On Friday, Carlos meets his friend Maria. They eat pizza and practice English together. They ask each other, "What is your favorite food?" what do you like to drink? They laugh and speak slowly.
On Saturday, Carlos tries ordering food in English at a small cafe. He says, "Hello, can I have a chicken sandwich, please?" The waiter smiles and understands him. Carlos feels proud.
On Sunday, he writes a short journal. This week, I ate good food. I practiced English every day. I feel good.
And that is the lesson. Small steps every day can change everything, for your health and for your English. Let's learn simple words to describe food.
Period,
Sweet,
period, period,
salty,
period, period,
spicy,
period, period,
sour,
period, period, and
fresh,
period, period,
crispy.
period.
Repeat after us.
This mango is sweet. The soup is salty. The noodles are spicy. The salad is fresh. The bread is crispy.
Mistake. I am eat breakfast. Correct. I eat breakfast.
Mistake. I want eat chicken. Correct. I want to eat chicken.
Mistake. I like very pasta. Correct. I like pasta very much.
Hello. Welcome to Burger Box. What would you like to order?
I would like a chicken burger, please.
Would you like fries?
Yes, small fries, please.
What would you like to drink?
A small iced tea, please. Words. I love fried rice. Sentence. I love fried rice.
Words. She drinks milk every morning. Correct. She drinks milk every morning.
Words. They eat pizza on Fridays. Correct. They eat pizza on Fridays. Repeat these phrases. Can I see the menu, please?
Can I have the chicken? Can I have the bill,